Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm the president of an arts and education organization, and I give Club Express a 4 out of 5. Before Club Express, we used Wild Apricot, and we decided to change because at the time Wild Apricot was changing its ownership, and there were many features in that platform that we were wanting that they weren't able to provide at that time. So, for instance, uh, solutions for membership, members being able to enroll anytime during the year rather than at a specific time, the management of financial information and other things were a little bit clunky. And ultimately, the biggest decision was design and aesthetics for the actual presentation of the website. We just needed a website that looked nicer, and what we could do within the Wild Apricot platform wasn't satisfactory for us. We chose Club Express for a few main reasons. Chief among them was their outstanding customer service, not just for administrators, but also for all the members in our organization. So if our membership director or I was having some sort of difficulty helping a member, we could always point them to Club Express. They have phone numbers and help based in the US and also email, and they're very responsive, very helpful for all of our members. Also, when we were getting started with Club Express, we had a single designer who helped us through the whole process of developing our new website. That process was an additional cost, but it was really cost effective. Additionally, Club Express has an ideas email that goes to their team of developers, and they're very responsive. So if they hear an idea from their customers suggesting some sort of improvement or a new feature on the platform, it often shows up in the next version. And that brings me around to new versions. They actually are constantly updating the platform, but not in a way that's disruptive, in a way that really just implements the desires of the customers in a really seamless way. Additionally, there's a really active community of administrators through a forum for Club Express administrators, and you can learn a lot from them in addition to their text-based documentation, which is really excellent and thorough, and they are constantly having webinars to educate and improve the skills of administrators. So those come out maybe every 2 weeks or something like that. And I really appreciate them because they're always addressing issues that people are letting them know, hey, we'd like to learn more about this or that. And sure enough, there's a webinar in 2 weeks. And it's just a really responsive, service-oriented relationship with Club Express. For the onboarding process and integrating Club Express into our organization, I would say that they were extremely helpful and service-oriented, again, like they are on a day-to-day basis. We had a few main tasks. We had design tasks, building out a website, and for that, again, we had a designer who worked with us and was really proactive about making sure that our website presented what we wanted, both outward facing to the public, but also served our members in all the ways that we needed it to. Additionally, when we were moving our data from our existing platform or our prior platform onto the new one, the technical assistance was really excellent, thorough, and the process was really simple. It was really a matter of populating data in a spreadsheet and editing it, making sure everything was complete, and giving it to them. And they ported all of the existing member data into the new platform. So it was really painless, quick, and we felt very supported through the whole thing, which was really important also because we're a small organization, and I was doing this alone until I had my webmaster and was able to take over for me. So I really appreciated all the sort of personalized help that I got through the process. If you're considering Club Express, a few things to think about. In our organization, we're an international organization. We have people mostly in the United States, but all over the world. So one of our biggest functions or purposes is building community. And our vision for doing that is really media heavy. So video, still images, podcasting. We have archival things that are about our history and about the history of things that are important to us as an organization. ClubExpress doesn't have the most robust uh, options for presenting media through the platform. So we're looking at other options like, embedding video that's hosted on other sites. We're developing a podcast, and we'll probably have to host that through another application and embed it in the site rather than having it hosted right there in ClubExpress. Now, I've voiced those things to them, and we'll see if they come come to pass within the platform. But right now, I would just say if what you do is really media heavy, there might be some challenges, or might have to be thinking in other ways how to integrate it. ClubExpress really focuses on membership management, but as far as some of those more uh, media oriented applications, we're having to get creative.